In this video, you will get to know how to write a blog post using your mobile phone WordPress website. If you have a WordPress website, you can easily go to Store and download WordPress here. Type WordPress in search, you will find this app. Open it and log in with all your details. If you didn't add your website here, in the Me section, you can add your website. Here is my website, equatori.com. You can clearly see. After adding your website, go to your home page and here you will see all the post media pages, comments, plugins, and all that stuff. In my case, I'm gonna write this blog I recently created with the help of ChatGPT. All you need to do is to go to post, and here are my existing blog posts. Here you need to press on plus icon and give the title of your blog. First, I'm gonna write the body. Simply paste from my MacBook. Here is the article I want to publish, but this one is my title. Command X, paste it here. So that's the title. Here is the complete body of my article. So I need to go step by step to add links, embed, and add pictures. At this place, I want to add a picture. Go to plus icon, image, choose from the device, and for this example, maybe I can choose this image. Or I can simply replace because this is not exactly at the place I want. I can simply click on this one and remove the block. Alright, picture is gone. So you can easily insert a picture here or going to the plus icon at this place. Let's say I'm gonna add here. Go to image, choose from the device, and I wanna add this picture. Alright, it's done. At this place, I wanna add the website link. I copied this website. I'm gonna make it bold, and here is the link option. Just allow paste and the link has been pasted. Now you can see it's underlined. I can also make this one bold and paste the link. Here is the website link. I can highlight this area and embed the link. The link is already there, and if you want to remove, you can also go to remove. Here I want to make these headings. So go to the top again. Here I want to make an introduction heading. So click on this place and type introduction. Here you can go to heading, and this is heading 1. I need it here. So you can see the heading has been pasted. I want to make this one as heading again. Go to plus and type heading. Here is our heading, and I can delete this part. Now choose this one, press B for bold, and you can also go plus heading. I don't know, it's bringing you to the bottom of this page, but that's not the case. You can simply enter, type one line, and then plus heading, and then move this part to heading area. And here you can choose it's heading 2 or heading 1. So in our case, this is heading 2. This is just to showcase how it works. Now, here I am talking about my WhatsApp group at this place. I'm gonna copy my WhatsApp group link and allow embed. Here you can see my WhatsApp group link has been pasted. So now it seems all set. Your article seems great. Now you remember this title. Go to publish, and it asks you to publish immediately and to public. You can also make it private if you don't want to show. And you can also categorize here. These are the different menus on my website. So I don't want to categorize this one, and you can also write some tags. For example, VPN China, VPN for China. I have written some tags. Now after that, you can publish. Alright, your article has been published. Now, if I go to my website on my computer browser, here is my website, and I can simply search this on my website. Search VPN. Look, here is uncategorized. How to get subscription for China and access without whatever. If I open, you will see this VPN. I have this tracker and all that stuff, and here is our article. If I click on this subscription, let's see it works or not. Yep, it works. Now let's try our WhatsApp group. Fine, that works great. Here is another highlighted area. I have inserted a link here. Click on that. Yeah, everything is great. Our featured image is already there, and this one will take a little bit time. I don't know, because of the internet or something, but table of content is also there because I made this heading. So this heading should be in the table of content. So that's very simple. If you like this video, thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one, and bye bye.